PowerSync Pro provisioning. What is provisioning?
Let's dive in a little bit more into what the PowerSync Pro Smart Hub can do. In essence, this is a product that is designed to charge, store, and provision iOS-specific devices.
What is provisioning?
The preparation of these mobile devices for a specific workflow determined by the end user. Once the provisioning is done, the handoff can happen to the operator of the device to do their daily activities.
Where is this solution most often used?
The ideal scenario or the setting for a deployment of this product would be around 250 plus users. Those environments where it's mission critical to have a available device, something that the employees are going to have be reliant on.
Find yours today by visiting Bretford.com.